Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. Today we're going to just talk a little bit about what's going on just so that you can stay updated to everything that's going on with Riding Reviews. There are going to be some changes because there have to be some changes in regards to the channel. So the company that I work for is obviously cheapbikesrus. I am self-employed. I do work for myself, but I am subcontracted to them. They have now decided that they only want to do Yamazaki motorcycles, which is their own import of motorcycles for the UK. They've stopped doing Lexmoto, Zontes, MotoGB, Bullet, all these bikes. They've stopped bringing in and they've stopped selling. Reason being is last year, say last quarter of last year, before they moved to the new unit, they sold about 10 bikes from all of these other manufacturers. And this is a reason why quite a lot of different motorcycle shops now have gone bust, especially the smaller ones, because they just can't afford to only sell 10 bikes a month or 10 bikes a quarter. It's just not sustainable. You've got to remember that the profit margin on all of these bikes is only about 10%. So you don't actually make a lot of money selling these motorcycles. So COVID and China and fuel and the economy and everything is battering the hell out of the importing of Chinese, Japanese or any other motorcycle. If you do not evolve, you will die. Your company will disappear, because evolution is the key to success. So Yamazaki or cheapbikesrus have decided that they're only going to be doing their own models, which is Yamazaki. For Riding Reviews, this causes a little bit of a problem. I'm not going to have the range of motorcycles to review that I had before. So hence, either I can find other companies that will lend me the bikes, which is quite hard to do, or it's try and go directly to the manufacturers and ask them, but again, they're not very willing to lend out bikes. And I've asked many times for different manufacturers or different importers in the UK to lend me bikes to do reviews on, and they just won't do it. So the reason that it worked so well before is I would do a review on a bike whilst I was doing the PDI and whilst I was doing the test ride. Now that Yamazaki or cheapbikesrus are no longer going to be getting bikes in to sell, I can't do test rides on them, obviously. So we are going to see if we can evolve again with Yamazaki, and it might be the case that I have to do more reviews on peripherals. So I've been talking to Bike It, and they're willing to give me some products to do reviews on. And I have told them that if I do reviews on their products, it will be my review. That's what I want to say. I want to give you an unbiased review. So I've made that perfectly clear to Bike It that if they do want me to review any of their items, I am willing to do it, but it is an unbiased and unprovoked. Provoked, probably not the right word, but they're not allowed any feedback into my reviews, just because I want to be fair. And quite a lot of, well, I would say majority of Bike It equipment is good. But again, I am still looking for other companies to review their stuff, and hopefully, as time goes by, the channel will get big enough for these companies to start listening. We are getting there. So not last year, over the couple of years that I've been doing this, the channel's slowly been increasing, and I now have accrued 7,500 subscribers, 2.5 million hours of watch time, and again, 2.5, I don't know exactly users or views, but it's a lot. So we are getting bigger. So anyway, we will do a look around the showroom in another video, and I will try and keep you as updated as I can, and I will keep on giving you the tutorials, the helpful tips and tricks. And we will still be getting in second-hand bikes and hopefully new bikes at some point of loads of different variations. And anything Yamazaki, I will be the first person to do videos on. Hopefully you understand my point, and hopefully that it won't affect your viewing pleasure very much. If there's anything that you think that I can do to make the channel better, please don't hesitate to comment below. Remember, I answer every single question that has ever been asked. I do have my riding reviews on YouTube, riding reviews on TikTok, and I have my riding reviews website. All of these things together are trying to make the riding reviews brand or have as much impact in the motorcycle industry as possible. So yeah, thank you for sticking with me through these changes. Stay tuned, but as always, ride safe.